Is it time to buy or sell Ishares Bitcoin Trust ETF? In this video, we are delving into Ishares Bitcoin Trust. Our initial report was published on Monday, the 26th of August, 2024, and we are here to offer you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to keep informed about our latest insights. You certainly do not want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please remember that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be interpreted as financial advice. Since the 23rd of August, 2024, our system has ranked Ishares Bitcoin Trust as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.72. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Unfortunately, the stock has not met expectations, showing a loss of 0.52% thus far. This results in an average daily loss of 0.26% since it was designated as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund lies at the upper part of a very wide and declining trend in the short term. This situation typically presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a movement back towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the top trend line at $37.02 would initially indicate a slower rate of decline and may serve as the first indication of a potential trend reversal. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible decline of approximately 11.32% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from negative 27.91% to negative 9.02%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it indicates a potential change of 20.08% over the next year, with possible returns ranging from negative 0.349% to 59%. This translates to a price range of $35.96 to $57.38 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Ishares Bitcoin Trust highlights that it experienced a decline on Monday, losing approximately 0.524%. The Ishares Bitcoin Trust ETF price decreased by 0.524% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 26th of August, 2024, dropping from $36.28 to $36.09. During that trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 1.36%, reaching a low of $35.93 and a high of $36.42. Over this period, the price has shown volatility with an overall increase of 7.28% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, the trading volume also fell alongside the ETF price, which is generally a positive indicator since volume should align with price movements. On the last trading day, the volume decreased by 32 million shares, totaling 19 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $691 million and 2 cents. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the ETF reached its highest price of $41.99 and its lowest price of $22.02. Currently, the price stands 14.04% or $5.90 below the 52-week high, which also marks the all-time high for the ETF. Recently, the Bitcoin market has experienced significant developments that could influence the IBIT stock in both the short and long term. Following Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell's remarks at the Jackson Hole Economic Symposium, Bitcoin saw a notable surge, climbing over 5%. Powell's indication that the Fed may cut interest rates soon has sparked renewed interest in cryptocurrencies, which tend to thrive in lower interest environments. Additionally, the recent approval and increased investment into Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, particularly by major players like Goldman Sachs and hedge fund managers such as David Shaw and Stephen Cohen, are driving institutional demand. The Ishares Bitcoin Trust, specifically, is being highlighted as a competitive option for investors seeking regulated exposure to Bitcoin. With a record number of exchange-traded fund launches in 2024, the ongoing enthusiasm within the crypto market signifies a broader acceptance that can further stabilize Bitcoin's price trajectory. Short-term, these developments could trigger a price rally, benefiting IBIT shares as demand escalates. In the long term, continued institutional involvement and favorable macroeconomic conditions may solidify Bitcoin's position as a digital asset, potentially leading to a sustained increase in IBIT's value as a preferred investment vehicle in the cryptocurrency sector. The combination of lower interest rates and enhanced investor interest could provide a robust foundation for growth, making IBIT an attractive option for both short and long-term investors. The following signals have been identified for Ishares Bitcoin Trust. The Ishares Bitcoin Trust ETF is currently showing buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, which suggests a positive outlook for the stock. However, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two averages, as the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is expected around the levels of $34.77 and $35.15. Should the price fall below either of these levels, it will trigger sell signals. Additionally, a buy signal is indicated by the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. On the other hand, some negative signals have also been issued, which could impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, August 23, 2024, and to date, the stock has dropped by 0.524%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. The trading volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading session, which mitigates the overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 27 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 9 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 16 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 20 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 37 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Ishares Bitcoin Trust. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $33.77 and $32.20. There is a natural risk involved when an exchange-traded fund is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the fund may then fall to the next support level. In this case, Ishares Bitcoin Trust finds support just below today's level at $33.77. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $32.20 and $30.48. This exchange-traded fund has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the fund moved $0.49 between high and low, or 1.36%. For the last week, the fund has had daily average volatility of 3.41%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Ishares Bitcoin Trust. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Ishares Bitcoin Trust is at $36.28. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Ishares Bitcoin Trust encounters its first support level at $33.77. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $34.71, reflecting a decrease of 3.81%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a corresponding medium level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 15 days prior. Is the Ishares Bitcoin Trust exchange-traded fund a wise investment? While the ETF is currently on a downward trend, several short-term indicators are showing promise. We believe that the present price level could represent a good buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for the ETF to perform favorably in the near future. After assessing the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading, on Tuesday, August 27th, we anticipate that the Ishares Bitcoin Trust will open at a price of 0.0533 and commence trading at $36.14. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.